How to make your first $1,000,000. Making your first $1,000,000 is a monumental achievement that requires determination, knowledge, and a solid plan. Many successful individuals have paved the way for us, and by learning from their experiences, you can embark on your journey towards financial success. This video will cover essential aspects of making your first $1,000,000, from setting realistic goals to exploring investment opportunities and understanding the importance of financial literacy. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Setting realistic financial goals. Before you embark on the journey to making your first million, it's absolutely essential to establish clear and attainable financial objectives. Whether your aspirations involve saving for retirement, realizing a dream vacation, or securing a down payment for a house, delineating a precise target will serve as a powerful motivator, driving you to make prudent choices in terms of savings and investments. The power of budgeting. Budgeting stands as a fundamental skill in the pursuit of building wealth. It entails mastering the art of crafting a budget that not only enables you to set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments, but also ensures that your essential expenses are well covered. This financial discipline is the cornerstone of fiscal success, as it empowers you to allocate resources judiciously, striking a harmonious balance between securing your present needs and nurturing your future financial growth. By acquiring the skill of effective budgeting, you lay a strong foundation for your journey toward financial prosperity. Investing wisely. Investing wisely is a pivotal aspect of financial growth. It involves the judicious allocation of funds into various assets or ventures with the goal of generating returns. Wise investment decisions can significantly impact your journey towards accumulating wealth. It's crucial to diversify your investments, exploring options such as stocks, real estate, and mutual funds, while also considering your risk tolerance and financial goals. By making informed and strategic investment choices, you can harness the power of compounding and allow your money to work for you, steadily propelling you towards your first million and beyond. Embracing financial literacy. Financial literacy, despite being frequently undervalued, plays a pivotal role in making sound financial decisions. It is the cornerstone of informed and prudent financial management. In this section, we'll delve into the significance of enhancing your financial literacy and provide valuable resources and strategies to achieve this goal. A deeper understanding of financial concepts, such as budgeting, investing, and managing debt, empowers you to make better financial choices. By equipping yourself with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complex world of finance, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives and propel you closer to the attainment of your first million. Starting a side business. It's worth noting that numerous millionaires began their journey by nurturing a side business or pursuing a side hustle. In this section, we'll offer valuable insights into recognizing viable business opportunities and transforming them into lucrative ventures. Discovering a niche, assessing market demand, and crafting a solid business plan are just a few of the essential steps we'll explore. By leveraging these tips and strategies, you can embark on your own entrepreneurial path, potentially paving the way for additional income streams that bring you closer to achieving your financial aspirations, including that coveted first million. Leveraging the power of compounding. Unveil the enchanting power of compound interest and its potential to expedite your quest for a million. In this section, we'll delve into the mechanics of compound interest, demonstrating how it can magnify your wealth over time. By adopting savvy saving and investment strategies, you'll discover how to harness the full advantages of compound interest. This financial phenomenon can turn modest contributions into substantial gains, propelling you closer to your financial milestone of a million. Understanding and effectively applying the principles of compound interest is a key element in your journey towards financial prosperity and achieving your long-cherished monetary goal. Avoiding common financial mistakes. We'll highlight common financial mistakes to avoid, from overspending to neglecting emergency savings. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you can stay on track to reach your financial goals. How to make smart financial decisions. Acquire the skill of making prudent financial choices that harmonize with your enduring objectives. We'll explore tactics for assessing financial prospects and minimizing risks. By mastering these techniques, you can navigate the financial landscape with confidence and steer your path towards achieving your long-term financial aspirations. Navigating tax strategies. Comprehending tax strategies is instrumental in preserving a larger portion of your earnings. We'll delve into tax-efficient investment alternatives and deductions, enabling you to fine-tune your financial strategy and maximize your wealth accumulation. Building a strong credit profile. Your credit score wields substantial influence over your financial well-being. Uncover the secrets of cultivating and upholding a robust credit profile. This valuable asset can unlock access to superior borrowing choices and a world of financial prospects. Mindset matters. Cultivating a wealthy mindset. Your mindset is a powerful tool in achieving financial success. Learn how to develop a wealthy mindset that fosters positivity, resilience, and determination. Mastering time management. Effective time management is crucial, especially when balancing work, investments, and personal commitments. Explore time-saving strategies to streamline your daily routine, enabling you to allocate more time and energy to tasks that drive you closer to your financial goals. Evaluating risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial in making investment decisions. We'll guide you through assessing your risk tolerance and making investments that align with your comfort level. Diversifying your income streams. Depending solely on one income source carries inherent risks. Discover the art of diversifying your revenue streams by exploring fresh opportunities and investments. This strategy not only bolsters your financial security, but also enhances your potential for wealth accumulation, safeguarding your financial future against unexpected challenges. Making your first million is a realistic goal with dedication, financial literacy, and smart decision-making. By following the strategies outlined in this guide and continuously educating yourself, you can embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Start your path to $1 million today and watch your dreams become a reality. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.